Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Coinbase Wallet, something went wrong error on PC. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So the first thing that we need to do here is we need to access the browser that we are using Coinbase on. In this case, all we need to do is we need to change a few settings and even clear a few things here. So first things first is we need to ensure that we have the latest version of our browser. In this case, I'm currently using Google Chrome here. So at the top right of your screen, go ahead and click on the G dot icon. And from here, choose the option or click on the option that says settings. Now under settings, what we need to do is we need to go to about Chrome section here, and it's going to automatically update itself. Now sometimes not having the updated version of Chrome can actually affect how Coinbase could actually react or being used on your browser. In this case, ensure to have the current version, and from then on restart your browser and see if that solves your issue. Now, if that doesn't solve your issue, then you need to change a few things. So let's go ahead and go to privacy and security here. And from here, choose the option that says clear browsing data. Now, in this case, I would suggest you to make sure that the cache images, files, and cookies and other site data is actually selected. And from here, just click on clear data. Now, if you want to exclude the browsing history and download history, you can go ahead and uncheck it, but it is important that you include the cookies and other site data and cache images and files before you clear your data. Now, once you've done that, you can go ahead and restart your browser again and see if that solves your issue. Now, in this case, those are the fixes that you could try for you to start fixing if there are any issues on Coinbase. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.